whipping egg whites to the right consistency. If the recipe calls for whipping egg whites, then make sure to whip the egg whites till it reaches a soft peak consistency, especially for an angel food cake, as it does not include any leavening agents. Although a chiffon cake does include baking powder, you would still need to whip the eggs to a soft peak consistency to get the best texture. Preheat the oven for at least 15 to 20 minutes to make sure the oven is properly heated. Try not to open the oven door at least till about 85% of the baking time mentioned in the recipe. Most domestic ovens don't necessarily give out the same temperature as mentioned on its knobs or control panel. It's most likely going to be off by about 5 to 40 degrees. So either you rely on an oven thermometer or you calibrate it yourself, meaning bake some simple or standard cake recipes and you will see that the cake is baking sooner than the recipe mentions or it's taking longer. Adjust the temperature accordingly the next time. So once you're sure about how the oven is heating up, you can make adjustments in the future to the baking time of the recipes accordingly. The cake needs to be baked at a consistent temperature. That's one of the reasons you should not open the oven door often while it's baking. Avoid substituting ingredients. If everything seems to be okay and you can't figure out why the cake collapsed, then any ingredient that was substituted could possibly be the reason.